Hi everyone, I'm Shalaka Pawar and you are watching The True Gourmand. And in today's episode, I have come up with 3 ways of making chicken wings. Yes, I know we all love chicken wings and we love to order them in restaurants, but what if you want to make it at home? Well, the first type of chicken wing is this typical classic fried chicken wing that you can eat while watching your favorite football or cricket matches. The second one is my personal favorite, a little bit of sweet plus hot chicken wings in barbecue sauce, and the third one is hot, fiery, and spicy chicken wings in buffalo sauce. So let's get started with all 3 styles of chicken wings. Now I have these chicken wings with me. This is how you get chicken wings in the market, but we need to cut these well so that we can have the proper chicken wings. So look at this structure, right? This is part 1, this is part 2, and this is the third part which looks like a tail. We want to discard this part. So all you need to do is just cut this part like this and discard it completely. We don't need this at all. Then this is what is left. This is the chicken wing. You can keep it as is or you can cut it into 2 more parts. I usually cut it into another part because then this becomes one part of chicken wing and this becomes another. So I'm just going to cut this now. So we have these 2 parts of chicken wings with us now. This is how I'm going to cut all my chicken wings and keep them ready. Now the next step is of course marination of this chicken wings. So I'm just going to add salt. It has very simple marination, quick and easy. Some pepper powder, red chili powder, and ginger and garlic paste. That's it. These are the only things that we need for our marination here. I'm just going to marinate this, mix it well with my chicken wings and keep it for 30 minutes aside. Now till my chicken is getting marinated, I'm going to prepare the outer covering of our chicken which will form the crispy texture for our chicken wings. So I have taken a cup of regular all-purpose flour. In this I'm going to add around 2 tablespoons of corn flour. This will really add to the crispiness of our covering. And then again, just some more flavorings for the outer covering as well. We're going to add some salt for the outer covering here. Then, just like chicken, after salt, we'll add some pepper. I'm also going to add some mixed herbs in this. If you don't have it, you can completely skip it, no problem. And then I'll also add some paprika. Now if you don't have paprika, you can use our regular non-spicy red chili powder like Kashmiri red chili powder or Degi mirch powder. Any of that is okay, but we want a non-spicy version. And last but not the least, I add some garlic powder. You can absolutely skip it if you don't have it, but I really like the garlicky taste in the covering as well. And then I'm just going to mix this through really well. Now the chicken wings that I've been marinating for half an hour, I'm just going to add them to this flour mixture of ours. And then we're going to coat this flour completely on all our chicken pieces. Make sure that you coat them completely. Even a bit of space should not be left because we want complete crunch for our chicken wings. Now once our chicken wings are completely coated in this flour, we're going to pick these and drop them in oil which has been heating on a medium flame. Make sure that you fry these on a medium flame, not very high because we don't want the outer covering to be cooked and the chicken to be raw. So on a medium flame, I'm going to fry these for around 10 to 12 minutes or till my chicken is golden brown. My last batch of chicken wings is now ready. Look how beautifully golden brown these are. I'm just going to take them out on a plate like so. Now these are simple, just fried chicken. Now if you want, you can make this even fancier like the ones you get in restaurant. And for that, I'm going to make 2 types of sauces. One is a barbecue sauce and one is a buffalo sauce. So let's get started with the sauces. Now time for our first sauce, that's barbecue sauce. What I'm going to do is in a pan on low heat, I'm going to add enough barbecue sauce here. This is good. This is almost say 1/4 of a cup. In this, I'm going to add a little bit of honey. So honey should be half the quantity of the barbecue sauce that you've added. This is that added sweetness that you get from your barbecue chicken wings. And then for some spice, I'm gonna add in a little bit of red chili sauce. You can also add hot sauce if you don't have red chili sauce. This is like almost a tablespoon that I've added. And then on a very low flame, I'm just gonna cook this sauce for say 3 to 4 minutes, and then we'll be done. Now for our second sauce, I've just added like 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan. In these 2 tablespoons butter, I'm gonna add some minced garlic and fry this garlic for a couple of seconds. Now once this garlic is minced, I'm gonna add hot sauce in this, around 1/4 cup. If you don't have any hot sauce, a regular red chili sauce also works absolutely fine. So this is around 1/4 cup of red chili sauce that I've added, and then I'm gonna add almost equal amount of ketchup. Now ketchup is optional, it does not go in the actual buffalo sauce that we make. But in India, a lot of times people do add ketchup and it brings that taste. So that's why in my buffalo sauce, I'm adding ketchup plus the hot sauce and then some red chili flakes as well. Usually if you have paprika, please add paprika instead of red chili flakes. But red chili flakes also serve as a good substitute for paprika. I'm just gonna stir this for a couple of seconds. Now usually in buffalo sauce we add Worcestershire sauce. If you have Worcestershire sauce, just add like 1.5 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. If you don't have that at home, the best alternative is to add some bit of soy sauce. So this goes around 1 teaspoon of soy sauce here, and then almost 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. So this is a good replacement, soy sauce plus brown sugar for our good old Worcestershire sauce. I'm just going to mix this again and cook this for a couple of seconds. Now look at these sauce. They're just nice and hot and cooked. This is my buffalo sauce and this is my barbecue sauce. All we need to do is now put our chicken wings in here and toss them in this sauce. That's it, folks. Yes, that's it. Here you go. This is barbecue sauce and then buffalo sauce. I'm going to toss this in barbecue sauce like so, and then I'm of course also going to toss this in my buffalo sauce. Hope you like these 3 styles of chicken wings. You can make whatever sauce that you like and just toss those fried chicken wings in them, and yeah, your chicken wings are ready. These are my top 3 favorites. If you like only spicy chicken wings, you can reduce the amount of honey in barbecue chicken wings and enjoy the hot barbecue chicken wings that you may have eaten in other restaurants. Please let me know in the comment section how these chicken wings were. I'll see you guys in the next episode of True Gourmand. Till then, bye bye.